Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through Notion AI's limitations in the free plan and the benefits of upgrading to a paid plan. To use Notion AI on the free plan, first understand that it's a limited trial, and you get a small number of AI responses per workspace. Then, to unlock continuous AI access, upgrade to a paid plan like Plus, Business, or AI Add-on. The paid version offers ongoing AI access for writing, editing, summarizing, and database automation without quickly hitting a hard cap. However, usage is considered higher or practically unlimited for normal users, but heavy usage like automation agents or bulk AI tasks may still have soft limits depending on the plan. If you're a casual user, the free plan is fine, but if you use Notion daily for notes, content writing, or work, the free AI will run out fast and the paid version becomes necessary. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.